it was really fun. This is the kick-off of our program sa ating fiesta. Kasabay ng ating nabina kaninang 5 o'clock. Sinabayan natin ng fun run. Ang daming nakasali. I think this is the start of the success of the programs until the fiesta day. Of course, our goal is to promote good health para sa lahat, sa mga kabataan. And then at the same time, yung camaraderie. Diba? Alam niyo naman, tuwing fiesta, umuwi yung mga pamilya. Diba?
It was a great experience running in Minalin, and we want to thank the municipality of Minalin for organizing like this event na nagpo-promote ng health and wellness. And sana marami pa silang mahikayat soon na sumali sa mga fun run activities like this. Thank you!
Masaya, nakakapagod, pero naging healthy rin naman. The most important thing is we finished the fun run and naging masaya kami doon sa naging result ng aming ginawa.
Pinag-ensayo ko talaga to, pinagpaguran ko para lang makapag-run dito sa Minalin. Thank you, Mayor!
Sa ngalan po ng kapulisan po ng Minalin, napaka-successful po ng event na ito. Ang daming mga kabataan, saka young at heart. Talagang all ages po nakisali po dito sa Minalin Patrons. Napakasaya po ng event, napaka-successful at sana meron pa pong susunod. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.